Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted a flashlight so powerful that you could probably signal aliens? Well, meet the Fenix LR36R. It's not just a flashlight, it's a portable sun. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. This piece combines LEP and LED for the ultimate lighting experience. So you get both long-range precision and wide area illumination. The LEP laser beam reaches 4,133 feet. That's over 12 football fields. You know the big bulky searchlights? The one that feels like you're carrying a brick. Yeah? This is not that. The LR36R is a compact lightweight, weighs about a pound, and fits right into your hand. It's tough, sleek, and built like a tank, without the tank size. Made with a premium aluminum body, rugged but not risk workout. Tactical yet elegant, a flashlight that you actually want to carry. With a balanced grip, feels solid and just feels right in the hand, which is great for extended use time. It's like the sport car of flashlights. It's compact, yet holds a lot of power under the hood. And now for the fun part. The beam shots. You don't just click, you rotate. Smooth, stepless brightness control feels like a volume knob, but instead of music, you crank up pure light power. It got 5 modes. First one is floodlight, for lighting up everything around you. High mode is 10,000 lumen with 356 yard throw and 2 hours and 3 minutes runtime. Mid mode is 5,000 lumen with 231 yard throw and 2 hours and 32 minutes runtime. Low mode is 50 lumens with 22 yard throw and 102 hours of runtime. Second mode is a laser mode when you need that sniper beam precision. Its high mode is 350 lumens with 1,377 yard throw and 4 hours and 3 minutes runtime. The low mode is 50 lumens with 576 yard throw and 16 hours and 30 minutes runtime. The third mode is floodlight and laser, because why not both? The high mode is 10,000 lumens with 1,377 yard throw and 2 hours and 27 minutes runtime. The low mode is 100 lumens with 562 yard throw and 15 hours of runtime. And we also have strobe for self-defense or party mode. It's 10,000 lumens. And the last mode is SOS, because if you ever get lost, you wanted the whole galaxy to see you. It's 50 lumens with 576 yard throw and 38 hours of runtime. And now let's take a look at what comes in the box. You get USB Type-C cable, manual, lanyard and O-ring, holster, and the LR36R. This bad boy is for everyone who wants extreme power in a compact and lightweight flashlight. It also has a smart OLED for easy navigation and understanding your flashlight. You can monitor the power output, battery level, and the exact runtime. So no more guessing which power output I'm on or how long before I need to recharge it. And it's USB Type-C rechargeable because it's 2025. Who got time for old school charging? And thanks to its two 5,000 mAh batteries, you can get 102 hours of runtime on the lowest mode. That's more than 4 days of camping without recharging. This is what real convenience looks like. And if you're worried about accidental activation, all you need to do is turn the dial all the way to the left and now you're locked. Oh, did I mention it's IP68 waterproof? Translation, this bad boy laughs in the face of storms. It's 1.5 meter impact resisting. So if you drop it, no worries. This bad boy shrug it off like a champ and keep shining. The LR36R is an impressive powerhouse and it's simple to use. By rotating the dial, you will unlock the flashlight on floodlight 50 lumens. And if you keep rotating, you will increase by 5 lumens until you get to 100 lumens. And if you rotate the dial, you will increase it by 10 lumens until you get to 500 lumens. And from 500 lumens to 3000 lumen, it will increase by 100 lumen every time you rotate it. And from 3000 lumen to 10,000 lumen, it will increase by 500 lumen every time you rotate the dial. And the button in the center of the dial is to switch modes. So if you press on it right now, you'll switch to white laser mode. And it increased by 10 lumens until you get to 350 lumen when you rotate the dial. And if you press that button one more time, you'll switch to the combined mode, which is floodlight and white laser at the same time. And it can go up to 10,000 lumens. And if you want to turn it off, you can press the center button for half a second or rotate the dial all the way to the left. And to turn on the strobe mode, flashlights need to be unlocked and then press and hold the center button for 1 second. And if you press the center button, you will switch to SOS mode. Now if you're thinking, Joey, This light seems familiar. Maybe you're thinking about the TK30R. It's an LEP only for precision lighting, so no floods. Insane throw distance, 1,640 yard throw. It's a compact, lightweight. This is like the sniper of flashlight world. Search and rescue teams, law enforcement, or anyone who needs long-range visibility without lighting up the whole neighborhood. Or maybe you're thinking about the Nightcore P35i. A lot of people compare the Nightcore P35i with the Fenix LR36R because they both mix LED and LEP technology. The Nightcore P35i is a great light, but it's a little bit big. It got 3000 lumens and 1840 yards throw. And programmable settings, the Fenix LR36R is 10,000 lumen with 1377 yard throw. And it's way more compact. That means the LR36R is over 3 times brighter. The P35i throws further. The LP36R is more compact and easier to carry. The LR36R is powered by 2 5000 mAh batteries, while the P35i only powered by one 5000 mAh battery. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full comparison between the two. Here's my take on the Fenix LR36R. If you need power, precision, and reliability, this bad boy is the flashlight of the future. It's what Gotham used to signal Batman. This is probably the only flashlight that I would be afraid to point at the camera because it could damage the sensor. That's how bright it is. If you're in search and rescue, first responder, or have a large property that you need to patrol, this flashlight makes your job a breeze. Now tell me, should I test this beast against a car headlight? Drop your challenge in the comments. Till next time, keep exploring and stay lit.